Zimbabwe's capital Harare is the epicenter of Zimdancehall, a music genre shaking up the urban soundtrack. Now untethered from its Jamaican roots, Zimdancehall is heard on every street corner and in every club.
Zimdancehall is a feeling which is in me, a feeling that says the music is just like me.
This is a studio for the ghetto youth who cannot pay a studio though they have talent.
The youths have to say out from within what they feel, how they live. This is their way of communicating.
And Mbari is the heart of Zimdancehall.
Mbari neighborhood produces some of Zimbabwe's most celebrated musicians. Many came through the record label Chill Spot. 6 years ago, Chill Spot started as a simple sound booth in founder DJ Fanton's flat. Today, DJ Fanton and producer Levels are trying out a new talent, Triple X, also known as Nice Killer, in their fully fledged awesome studio. Nice Killer sings in Shona about a family who blames their son for being bewitched and responsible for the misery they face. In the end, the son is chased away.
It's the things I see every day here in Mbare. It's our daily life. That is what I think about, what I experience. Sometimes I just walk and see things happening and then I write about them in a song. That is what inspires me.
So it became popular because everyone could relate to this kind of music. Everyone could relate to the lyrics which are being sang in the songs.
Because Nice Killer can't pay for the studio time, Chill Spot offers him a deal. The studio produces the song for free, but shares the rights with the artist.
Nice. Back in the days,
it was hard and expensive to record a song.
but
After Chill Spot, Levels and I chipped in, studio time became affordable. And that's when we discovered that Zimbabwe has great talents and singers.
King forward, Chill Spot.
One of those talents is Nutty O. Born and raised in Mbare, he became one of the most successful Zimdancehall artists overnight, attracting millions of clicks for his songs and videos on social media sites. Success stories like this inspire countless others to dream of stardom. Back on the street, Nice Killer and his crew check out the latest hits by their friends. Most songs are being shared directly via Bluetooth and go from one mobile phone to the next. Nice Killer is convinced that his breakthrough is near.
The stuff we sing about, my friends understand. We all come from the ghetto and we know what's going on. And Zimdancehall just feels right. I want to sing and I know it will take me far.
Internationally, Zimdancehall is growing. Artists are already hosting concerts abroad and promise to take their hits to Nigeria and South Africa. For now, life in Mbare is keeping Nice Killer grounded, but his ambitions are sky high.